Welcome to episode 19 of the First Year Experience, 10 Mistakes College Students Make. And typically I don't even use the word mistakes. I use the word opportunities to learn, but we're on YouTube. Algorithms are important. And so we are saying the 10 mistakes college students make. Let's go down the list. Number 1, not setting up your school email. That is going to be your main form of communication. And number 2, another mistake is not checking your course site for updates. We've already talked about this in earlier episodes, but you want to make sure that you're checking your course site daily, at least Monday through Friday if you can. But if you can't, at least 3 times a week, because you never know what you're going to miss. Number 3, this might seem self-explanatory, but life happens. Number 3, another mistake that college students make is not completing your schoolwork. When it comes to completing your work, one thing I would always share with students, especially for the final assignments, they would, many would not complete the work. And I would tell students, just give me something. Something is better than nothing, to at least make an effort to finish your schoolwork. Number 4, not getting enough rest. Yes, this is the best time of your life, but sleep is important. In order for you to be your best self, rest is important. Number 5, not introducing yourself to your professors or your teaching assistants. Sometimes you want to hide in the back and, be out the way. But, learning is a process. It's an exchange. It's reciprocal. And so you definitely want to introduce yourself to your professors or TAs, especially because you never know what's going to happen in the course of a semester. Number 6, not creating your personal schedule so that you can be clear about what's going on every day. Number 7, another mistake that college students make is thinking college is mandatory. It is not mandatory. It is not compulsory like high school. It is a choice. Even if folks are strongly encouraging you, unless they're doing the work for you, have signed you up, all the things, college is a choice. And the reason why I say that is the goal with this entire series is giving you the tools so that when you wake up every day, you will choose yourself in this completion of this college journey. It's helpful. It can change our life, but it is a choice. Number 8, not ordering or finding a way to get our books. We want to make sure that we have the necessary materials to be able to complete our coursework. Number 9, assuming you can turn in late work. You might have been able to do that in high school, but in college, you might not be able to do that. And that's why it's so critical to check your syllabus policies to see what your professor's policy is on late work. And if it's not written in the syllabus, reach out to your professor about that. Number 10, now this is huge. You already know I talk about this all the time. Not asking for support. I encourage you, I implore you, if you need the support, please get it. There's no shame. We all need support. We're not in this world alone, even though sometimes I know it feels like it. Bonus, not setting up email notifications. So when you're in your learning management system, whether it is Nearpod, Moodle, Canvas, Blackboard, any of those, make sure that you go into your settings and you set up the email notifications. So that means that if there are any updates, if your grades are posted or anything like that, you're able to receive those notifications. You can always modify if you have too many notifications being sent to you. Remember what I said at the beginning. They're not really mistakes, but they're opportunities to learn. And what you didn't do yesterday, you can implement today. That's all I have for this episode. As we say here at Boosie Teaches, in a galaxy of learners, Boosie teaches like soy. I'll see you in the next episode.